new just listed home, 1845 South Highland Avenue, number 511, Largo, Florida, by Cindy Doobie from the Military Veteran Team. This one-bedroom, one-bath home on a cozy 627 square feet layout offers comfort and convenience. Inside, the bright living and dining area feels airy and connected, bathed in soft morning light. Seamlessly connected, the functional kitchen is fully equipped for easy meal preparation and natural entertaining. The layout hosts a comfortable primary bedroom featuring dual closets for ample storage. This is served by one well-appointed full bathroom designed for practical, low-maintenance living. Outdoors, enjoy the refreshing community pool and garden areas. Contact us today and make it yours.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.